What's up, my heart attacks? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, what's up? You came at a good time because I'm going to show y'all my once a week curly hair routine. And these are all the products that I use. So let's just get started. First up, I'm going to use the Jamaican black castor oil. This one is peppermint. It's specifically to help with the itchy scalp and it smells awesome. I'm going to section off my hair and put it in my roots on my scalp, and I'm going to leave it on for about at least 30 minutes to an hour. Next, I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture Deep Treatment Mask. It's got sea kelp, argan oil, and shea butter to help smooth, shine, and deeply moisturize the hair. I have been really liking this one. It's very thick and rich, and I really feel the long-lasting effects. So I've got the argan oil on my roots, and I've got the Shea Moisture Deep Scalp Treatment Mask on the rest of my hair, and I'm going to put it up in a loosely bun. I don't got one of those fancy hair caps, so I'm just going to use a plastic bag. It helps conceal all of the heat into my head to kind of warm the product up and getting it deep into my roots, into my scalp, into the cuticle. And I will keep this on my head for at least 30 minutes to an hour so it'll get nice and warm and hot. Okay, so now that we've waited some time, I'm just going to take it out, and then I am going to rinse out my hair, not completely, because I still want some of the product in there, because I'm going to now finger comb my hair. I love both of these shampoos, but today I'm going to be using the Build-Up Buster to kind of get out all that excess gunk and product out of my hair so I can just start completely fresh. But when I'm not doing this, I am using the Pineapple Curls from Pacifica because it smells delicious and it's just so refreshing. And I'm just going to be working that in, massaging that into my scalp. And I generally like to massage my scalp for about 5 minutes throughout the entire process of the shower. Whenever I have huge knot curls like this, I will take the Shea Moisture, whatever deep treatment I'm using, and I will use that as a conditioner to kind of work throughout the curls so I can finger comb it nice and smoothly. You want to be able to run your fingers through your hair with no knots and it's nice and smooth. And just like that, that big old knot is gone. Now I'm just going to put my hair in a wet bun now, and I'm just going to let kind of the excess conditioner just kind of still soak in there, and I'm just going to continue on with the rest of my shower, waiting about 5 minutes and kind of just massaging it through. Now it's time to rinse out all of that product out of my hair. I like to throw my head forward so I can get all of the stuff out, and while training my hair to just fall forward for the most volume. And I'm just going to be getting the excess water out of my hair, and I'm going to be drying my hair with a t-shirt, or you could use a microfiber towel. I don't have one, so I'm using this t-shirt. I'm going to use a little bit of this deep mask treatment as a leave-in conditioner to keep my hair nice and soft. First up, we have the kinky moves. This is going to help to really detangle my hair, define, and defrizz. And I'm really thorough with all of these products. I really go through every angle to really get every side of the curl so that it is nice and covered. And I do not use a comb. All I use are my fingers to really get all of the hair through. Next, I'm going to be using the Curl Talk. I like this one. It provides shine. It's really got a nice lightweight hold to it and also helps defrizz my hair. Next, I'm going to be using the gel. Now this really helps the frizz after I've slept in it. I tend to sleep a little crazy and my hair just gets kind of everywhere. So this gel really keeps everything intact. And again, I'm just finger combing through everything, being nice and thorough. Many underestimate the power of the scrunch, but it does make a difference. Just continuously scrunching your hair, and I find that scrunching my hair with the t-shirt instead of just my hands really keeps the curls intact, less frizz, and more voluminous. Lastly, I'm going to be using the Cactus Rose Water. I love this. It's got a nice hold and it adds volume to it. So along with really intact curls, I like some volume to my hair. So this adds a nice touch. Okay, I do not have a wig cap, so these are literally pantyhose. They're the fishnet pantyhose. Don't make fun of me, but it works just as good. It's got some ventilation in it, so it's gonna give me drying time as well as keeping my curls nice and high and tight so they can air dry as high as they possibly can. My wait time is roughly about 4 hours till this dries. And yes, I know, I look a little cray-cray. Okay, so I've waited a couple of hours. I'm just going to check to see how dry my hair is, and it's actually still pretty damp. So I'm just going to take it out of the hairnet and I'm going to let the rest air dry. Now that it's out of this, it has more ventilation, so we'll see. 98% dry. I say that because like there's a little bit like right here, like a little bit outside my roots where it's still kind of damp, and then a little bit like at the crown of my head. When I'm drying my hair, I try not to dry it in a part. I've done that before and it's made my hair flat at my roots on some of my curls. So I try to just let it dry backwards, and then I kind of flip it to this side or flip it to that side, and it'll like get some volume because the curls are still unbothered. I'll go back in with this because I just love a lot of volume. You don't feel it. It doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't weigh down my curls, and it just gives it so much body and so much life that I really have been enjoying it a lot. Disturbed my roots up a little bit so my hair can be a little bit more poofier. I won't like do this, like, but I'll just kind of, like I'm kind of raking. Hair flips always make everything better. So this is the final look. I'm so happy with the way it came out. I love this routine. It's really been working for me. As you can see, my curls look bouncy, fresh, new. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And I will check you guys in the next video. Bye.